Set 4.1 last example 7. Point G is the centroid of triangle ABC. G is the centroid of triangle ABC. Means G is the midpoint. G is the point of concurrence of all the three medians of the triangle ABC. Then some measures are given. You have to according to that whatever they will ask that you have to find out. This BG is given. BG is equal to this RG is given. RG is equal to 2.5 centimeter. If this RG is 2.5 centimeter, you have to find out the GC. If RG is 2.5, you have to find out the GC. You have to say that G is the midpoint of RC. G is the midpoint of RC. Therefore, you have to say that if this G divides this median in the ratio 2:1. If this one is 2 centimeter at that time, this one is 1 centimeter. So I will write this as CG is to GR. CG is to RG. I will say that CG is to RG is equal to CG is to RG is equal to 2:1. CG is to RG is equal to 2:1. CG as it is, you have to write RG value. You have to put RG is equal to 2.5 is equal to 2:1. You have to transpose this 2.5 that side. Divided by 2.5 becomes multiplied by 2.5. CG is equal to 2.5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 5. So you have to say that CG is equal to 5. Means if this one is 2.5 at that time, this will come 5 units. Everybody understand? Means if this G divide this median in the ratio 2:1. If this one is 2, that time this one is 1. If this one is 2.5, at that time this one is 5. Then you have to come to the second sub question. BG is equal to 6 centimeter, 6 unit. You have to find out BQ. You have to find out BQ, means whole you have to find out. Before you will find out BQ, first upon you have to find out the GQ. So I will say that this G is the midpoint of BQ. I will write here G is midpoint of BQ. So G is the midpoint of BQ. So this G divide the BQ in the ratio 2:1. So you have to say that BG is to GQ. BG is to GQ is equal to 2:1. So BG is 6 is to GQ is equal to 2:1. 6 upon GQ is equal to 2 upon 1. So you have to transpose this denominator. This you have to shift this side. This you have to shift this side. 6 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2 multiplied by GQ. Then 6 is equal to 2 multiplied by GQ. You have to find out the value of GQ. So you have to transpose this 2. Multiplied by 2 becomes divided by 2. Here 2 1s are 2 and 2 3s are 6 you have to do. Therefore GQ is equal to 3 units will come. If this will come 3 units, if this will come 3 units and this one is the 6 units, at that time 6 plus 3 is equal to 9 units. So you have to say that BG plus GQ is equal to BQ. BG plus GQ is equal to BQ. So you have to say that B dash G dash Q. B dash G dash Q means point B, point G and point Q are the collinear points. So you have to say that BG plus GQ is equal to BQ. 6 plus 3 is equal to BQ. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9 is equal to BQ. Therefore BQ is equal to 9 units. Means this BQ will come, so this whole BQ will come 9 units. Then you have to come to the third sub question. If AP is equal to 6 centimeter, this AP is given, this whole AP is given, you have to find out the AG and you have to find out the GP. If AG and GP you have to find out, this whole is 6 units. You have to consider this AG as X. At that time this part will come 6, this whole is 6, and if this part is X, at that time this will come 6 minus X. So I will say that let AG is equal to X. AG plus AP is equal to AG plus GP. So I will write this as A dash G dash P. A dash G dash P. So these are the collinear points. So you have to put this AP is equal to 6 unit. AG is equal to X. You have to find out GP. If you want to find out GP, you have to transpose this X this side. This plus X becomes minus X and GP is equal to 6 minus X. Means if this will, you will consider this as X, then this becomes 6 minus X because AP is equal to 6 units. Then you have to say that this G is the midpoint of AP. Then AG is to GP. AG is to GP is equal to 2:1. X is to X. 6 minus X is equal to 2:1. X upon 6 minus X is equal to 2 upon 1. You have to transpose this one this side. this bracket that side, x multiplied by 1 is equal to 2 multiplied by 6 minus 1. This x as it is, you have to use the distributive law. 2 multiplied by 6 and 2 multiplied by x. 2 multiplied by 6 and 2 multiplied by 8. 2 multiplied by 6 is equal to 12. 2 multiplied by x is equal to 2x. Then you have to collect the terms of the x together. Here is the term of the x, here is also term of the x. You have to shift this 2x this side. This minus 2x becomes plus 2x. 1x plus 2x is equal to 3x is equal to 12. X is equal to 12 upon 3. X is equal to 4 units will come. Then you will say that if x will come, then Ag is equal to 4 units. Then you have to find out Gp. Gp is equal to 6 minus x. At that time, 6 minus 4 is equal to 2 units. In this way, if this whole is the 6, at that time, this Ag will come 4 and this will come 2. And in this way, you have to solve this example properly. Thank you.